Hi everyone, I'm Nick. I'm from Malaysia and Indonesia, well, half each from my mom and my dad. I'm currently in my first year of International Relations and Politics at the University of Sheffield. Today I'm here to talk to you about Sheffield and university life in general. There are many reasons as to why I chose to study at the University of Sheffield. The first of many considerations, however, is the fact that the University of Sheffield is a reputable university which ranked 75th in the world in the latest lineup of QS World University Rankings. The second reason why I chose to study at Sheffield is the fact that the amount of student support services is none other like any other university. Not only is the Sheffield Students' Union ranked number 1 in the UK for 10 years in a row, but the university itself provides various amounts of services such as the SSID or the 301 Academic Skills Center. As a large believer in student activism, having contributed to my high school student council, it is important sometimes to not neglect the amount of support available during high school and university and how different it may be. And that's why Sheffield's unique in the sense that it does not only prioritize the amount of student support, but it is also a perfect epitomization of it. Another reason why I chose to study at Sheffield is because of the immersion of current affairs such as Brexit in a communal environment who is directly affected by it, from academics in my department to students outside of it. However, what I feel needs to be addressed or highlighted rather, is Sheffield's living cost compared to other UK universities. Because whether you like it or not, money influences everything. From a number of opportunities you're able to participate as a student in one of the student societies, or how active you are as a member of a resident in the United Kingdom. In the clip, you see me shopping for my errands at Aldi's in a bill which came up to less than £15 for about 3 to 4 days worth of groceries, which is much more affordable than any other major city in the United Kingdom. Now, in modern day society, sustainable development and climate change mitigation are the issues which drive current affairs. Sheffield exemplifies this as I enjoy the greenery and clean air whenever I walk around the city. Not only that, but greenery contributes to a pretty good scenery every now and then, which is something I can never get bored of and something I can cherish while I'm here. I also really like how convenient and urbanized the campus is. For example, there's always a library in reach, whether you're waiting in between lectures or just want a place to study. All of the university's free libraries, which are the Diamond, the Information Commons, and Western Bank, are ideally located with a very reasonable opening hours, with the Information Commons and the Diamond open 24 hours during the term. Finally, I like Sheffield's balance between city and communal living. There are more than shops and entertainment that you almost don't have to go out of the city to look for anything. For example, the turning on of the Christmas lights. But at the same time, it also maintains a strong communal spirit without any overcrowding between areas, so you're still able to enjoy peace and tranquility when you need it. An advice I would give to prospective applicants watching this video is to consider your student experience as a whole. Because university is not just a quest for knowledge, but it's also a journey about adulthood and maturity. It's about how many life lessons and skills you're able to take away from studying in the UK, and also the people you meet along the way. So look around, ask people you know who've been to the UK, who are perhaps studying in the UK, or if you're the first one in your family to study in the UK, then be brave because there's nothing to fear at all.